Hey everyone, so today I want to show you how you clean this pump filter on a Aqueon Mini Bow 5 aquarium, 5-gallon aquarium. So I took it apart and I'm just going to show you the different parts and kind of show you if I can take this out so you can see. I'm going to take this out for a minute. Okay. This goes directly under it. And I'm going to show you now. Here, this is what they call an impeller. And this spins, rotates. And then you have two more parts that extend out. Of course, this one right here goes on the bottom, and then this one up here attaches to it, and then it attaches to this part. Right there, attaches right there. And then of course this attaches to the bottom right there. So the way I clean it is I'm going to be using distilled vinegar, white vinegar. So I'm just going to put a little bit in here. I think that should be good. And I'm going to let it soak. Now this wire here, it's okay if you get this part wet, but just don't get the plug wet, which I have down there. So I'm just going to let it soak, maybe about a half hour or so, 20 minutes maybe. And then I'm going to put it back together. And I'll show you how I put it back together. Okay, so I dumped the water outside, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to rinse it really good to make sure that there's no residuals of vinegar. So I'm going to bring it over here to the sink, and I'm going to put some hot water. Okay, I got all the parts rinsed. Here's the rest of the parts. Let's take these all out. Yeah, it looks a lot better. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to install the impeller right in here. And this is your impeller. Just kind of see it's in there correctly. When it does that, it springs back. So it's installed correctly. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this piece back in here, like so. If I can do this with the camera. It'll hurt to see. Check the other side. Is it on? press it down all the way. Make sure it's down all the way. When you remove this part here, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver about this size. I'm not sure what size this is, but just small enough to get into the grooves right here. And then you're just going to go like that to gently all the way around and it to flip it up. Okay, so then you got 2 more parts. This one will go next. And you're going to put this part right in here. If I can do this holding the camera. If not, I might have to pause the camera, but let's see if I can do it. Okay, looks like it went in. And pull it back up. Okay, yeah, it's in there. And then the other part. So you want this on the bottom because this is what takes in all the water. Okay, so then you're going to attach this here. Let's probably bring that down. If I can get this in here. There we go. And there it is. And it's ready to go back into the aquarium. And it goes, I think that's which way it goes. Yeah, this part here goes like that on the left side of the aquarium. That slips into, there's a notch that it goes into. Let's see, move the wire a little. Yeah, so there it is, all clean. And that is how you clean your pump. And then you put your filter right in here. And this is where the water comes out. I can move that cord, it's kind of in the way, but there it is. And then of course this, it's hard to do this one hand, but this extends out. You pull it out when you want to drain it. But there it is. So it's fairly easy. It's not too hard. And that's how you clean your pump. And well, on this aquarium, I have to clean this quite often because the aquarium, because of the small size, you have to clean them more often. They get more gunk and stuff. They tend to get dirty faster. But yeah. So guys, thank you for watching my video. And that is how you clean the pump on an Aqueon mini bow 5-gallon aquarium.